Hello, my name's Anthony. I'm a representative here at ARCM Roofing Incorporated. We are a local licensed, bonded, insured, and certified roofing contractor that has been servicing the Denver metro area since 2009. ARCM Roofing provides roof installation, roof repairs for all types of roofing materials such as asphalt shingles, tile, stone-coated steel, metal roofs for all of our residential customers. ARCM Roofing is backed and certified by some of the largest roofing material manufacturers in the country. ARCM Roofing's commercial division handles roof repairs, leaks, and also provides a 20-year certified manufacturer installation for all types of commercial applications, such as TPO, EPDM, modified bitumen, and waterproof coating for flat roofs. Our 100% guarantee provides peace of mind.
Got the excitement and the vibe.
This is where we really want to shine. Hi, my name's Anthony.
Most of our business comes from word of mouth.
There's 68,000 people coming through these front doors. We're here at the Garden and Home Show here at the Convention Center in Denver, Colorado.
Oh, the show is amazing. Great place to be.
Have a great show.
All these people are coming by. We're able to meet folks and be able to talk to them about our services. It's an exciting time here at ARCM Roofing.
Kind of curious, there's quite a bit. We're trying to fix up everything in the house right now. So that's kind of the reason why we stopped over here.
They all want to improve their living space, upgrade their home, look at the different design options, and meet contractors face to face.
Talking to people about home improvements, specifically storm damage.
We have a lot of hailstorms.
This year was probably one of the biggest years for hail damage in the Denver metro area. We work with all types of insurance companies. We also typically give homeowners a free upgraded shingle to the hail-resistant shingle, which typically saves homeowners 28% on their homeowners insurance. The hail-resistant shingle is something that we believe in. It's something that not all the other guys do. Puts us apart from our competitors.
I'm glad he gave me some info and told me the upgrade that I could do than what I already have, the pluses and minuses of it. So yeah, I was pretty impressed.
I already have them coming out. They're going to give me a call next week. So
are we on the same page?
Yes.
Oh yes. Yeah.
Awesome.
The roof's pretty cool booth.
This booth isn't just a booth.
I like all the copper for sure.
This is a booth where we showcase our metal fabrication, our roofing, our commercial roofing and residential roofing.
There's a lot of options. There's a lot of stuff you guys sell.
Business is just exploding right now. The economy's good. Housing values are going up. It's a great time to be in the remodeling business.
So we've expanded our business at ARCM Roofing to include not only the residential, but also commercial roofing as well. And it's been a huge success for us.
We need help. Business is so good, we're hiring. Please come and talk to us.
We really strive to be the best roofing company out there.
Probably the best part of this job is we get to help people.
It means a lot that I'm able to make that connection with those people and actually say, hey, you know what? I think this would look good on your house.
The customers are happy. We get to solve their problems.
It was my pleasure meeting you, Amanda. I love helping people. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Have a great day.